Hi, we're Wade and Leta.
And we're artists based in Brooklyn, New York. We want to make things that are accessible, things that involve other people, no matter the age, no matter the background.
Being approached by Google to create a sculpture utilizing generative AI, our reaction at first was a little bit skeptical.
I think since most people are creatures of comfort, sometimes you're scared to try something new. I think also in the same mindset, we'd rather embrace new technologies than push them away as a way to help us create new work and for us to not remain stagnant in what our processes are.
Whisk is this image generation tool that feels like a mixing bowl of possibilities. We can create images through text, but also through references like subjects and scenes we're inspired by.
A maze built with beams, with graphic shapes.
Playable sculpture that is larger than life. A gigantic cloud resting above a group of people.
Then we'll do some sketches. We'll jump off the computer, make a model, and then go from there to try and make it real.
One of the nice things that we found working with Whisk is that it presents all of these really fantastical and extremely diverse ideas.
We always want to try something new, and I think this has been a really great vessel for doing that. And I think that's why we're engaged with the technology, because it could allow us to take a right turn where we would typically go left.
If somebody else wants to give it a go, I think begin with no expectations.
Yeah, I think the best way to utilize it within your typical practice is the same way you do anything, is like allowing room for play, because it is something new.
It's figuring out how to make it work for you and not the other way around.
Our final work is called Reflection Point, and for us, we only see the work being finished once people are interacting with it. And so the choice for using Mirror was not only inspired by Whisk, but it was also inspired by how people utilize space and allowing this participation of people we don't know to find themselves within the work we've created.
Oh, I really like this one.